It's great to be back here at Seco Tools in preparation for the 2023 ITI event, Inspiration Through Innovation, taking place on the 11th and 12th of October. This showcase event will be demonstrating the very latest technology, focusing on the aerospace industry, on difficult to cut materials, on very complex parts, showing the latest cutting technology, along with CAD/CAM and of course the coolant saver. Sustainability goals are at the forefront of our engineering industry moving forward. And with all these technologies you'll see at the ITI event, they'll be able to show how you can actually reduce the carbon footprint by reducing material wastage, less power used on machines by producing parts quicker, and of course saving coolant and oil will reduce the impact on the environment. It's great for Wogaard to be a technical partner of Seco, and we will be showing our coolant saving system on the majority of the demonstration machines at the event. Along with this, we will be also showing the AB Smart Box, which allows 2 vacuums off one system, and our revolutionary UV coolant disinfecting system. It's very easy to register for this great event. Please just follow the link as you can see below, and we look forward to seeing you there.